Hi, and happy Halloween. This is Rozani. Are you feeling bored? Okay, then, let's make something different, like these coffee filter face masks for adults or kids. This is what the paper coffee filters look like. We're going to take a single filter. I'm going to fold it in half. Then you're going to try it onto your face, over the nose, and adjust it. Under the chin, by just giving it a little pinch. It's always better to get somebody to help you with this. Okay, so then you mark it on the inside of the coffee filter and you're going to fold it. Then you're going to turn it inside out because you want to double check to see if it fits. So you're going to have this dart on the bottom. And you need to glue it closed up to the line indicated. And then you want it to dry. You can use your favorite glue. I didn't show the glue, but it's there. So this is what you want it to look like with the dart on the bottom. Now we'll move on to draw the face one side at a time. I went ahead and drew this first in pencil and then with a Sharpie. And that way I could see through to the other side. So I traced the other side and I outlined it. Then I opened it up and this is what I have. And you could punch holes in it, of course, and then put in some string or ribbons and whatever you want knotted on the inside. By the way, this is not a virus-proof mask. It's a fun indoor project, and it's something to do during Halloween. Kind of like these. I've made them on paper, but you can make them on fabric too. You could color them in using markers or paints. Just have fun with them. I hope you've enjoyed this video and that you'll give these a try. And as always, thank you for watching.